This is a Potato Bird bound D train. The next stop is 10th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors.
This is 10th Street. This is the Cadillac bound D train. The next stop is Intervale Square.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is Intervale Square.
Transfer is available to the 7, B, E, and K trains. Transfer is available to the shuttle to Grand Junction. Connection is available to Potato North.
This is the Cadillac bound D train. The next stop is Booth Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is Booth Street. Transfer is available to the B, A, and L trains. This is the Cadillac bound D train. The next stop is Fairview Avenue.
Stand clear of the closing doors.
This is Fairview Avenue. Transfer is available to the B, E, and K train. This is the Cadillac bound D train. The next stop is 26th Street, St. Mark's Avenue.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is 26th Street, St. Mark's Avenue. This is the Cadillac bound D train. The next stop is 33rd Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors.
This is 33rd Street. This is the Catalan Bound D Train. The next stop is 46, 47th Streets, LaGuardia Airport.
Stand clear of the closing doors.
This is 46, 47th Streets, LaGuardia Airport.
Transfer is available to A, B, C, E, and K.
This is the Catalan Bound D Train. The next stop is 51st Street.
Stand clear of the Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is 51st Street. This is the Catalan Bound D Train. The next stop is 57th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is 57th Street. Transfer is available to the B, E, and K trains.
This is a Catalan-bound D train via the E line.
The next stop is 67th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors.
This is 67th Street.
This is a Union Turnpike-bound D train via the E line.
The next stop is 77th Street, World Trade Center.
Stand clear of the closing doors.
This is 77th Street, World Trade Center.
This is a Union Turnpike-bound D train via the E line.
The next stop is 80th Street, Museum of Party History.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is 80th Street, Museum of Party History.
This is a Union Turnpike-bound D train via the E line.
The next and last stop is Union Turnpike.
Stand clear of the closing doors.
This is Union Turnpike.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the last stop on this train.